So car repair, so car garage. Today we're working on this 2016 Dodge Journey. Just slip this hose back on. See, it got the stopper right there, so you just stop pushing once it gets right there. Grab your pliers and slide the clamp back where it came from, and then you can go ahead and start filling up coolant through the coolant reservoir right here. All right, so next you want to remove this bleeder screw right here so you can start the bleeding process, because there should be air pockets now that you took off the hose and changed the thermostat out. Got that removed. So next step, you want to open up your reservoir cap. All right, so once you start pouring coolant in here with this bleeder screw loose, you'll start to see a constant stream of coolant coming out. So once it's coming out steadily with no air bubbles, you can put the screw back in. You can tighten it down. It's plastic, so it doesn't go super tight. Just tighten it down. We're actually at the cold fill line right now, so we're gonna place the cap back on here. Tighten it back down. Make sure that's tight. And once everything's buttoned up, you got your bleeder screw in, hoses on, and reservoir is filled up, you go ahead and start the car and turn the heat all the way on to the max, turn the fan to the max, and wait for the car to get to operating temperature. And once you get that, fan kicks on, you know that your thermostat is good and the car won't overheat. All right, so go ahead and start your car. Put our heat all the way on max. Fan on max. Turn the heat all the way up. So you can actually scroll down to the settings, go to vehicle info, and pull up your coolant temperature right there. So you just want to feel around to make sure that you got heat coming from all the vents. In this case, we have heat, so we're just gonna continue to wait for the coolant to reach operating temperature. All right, so we are at 181 operating temperature. This thermostat for this car opens up at 203. So we're gonna wait on that to get to 203, and we should hear the fans kick on. Thermostat will be open, coolant start flowing through the system, and we'll be done. All right, so we have reached full operating temperature. Our temperature is looking good. Our fans have cycled on and off quite a few times. So we have successfully changed the thermostat as well as bled the cooling system of air. So now you're good to drive the car around. The coolant level in your reservoir may drop down a little bit, but nothing severe. So you're good to go. Until next time, guys, just like, share, subscribe, comment with any questions. Until next time, So Car Repair, So Car Garage. Peace.